Hello, today we're talking about decluttering your room. So let's look at that decluttering process. Your room, your haven, your oasis, your private retreat is a place that you need to work toward getting to that condition. So you want this to be a place of, it's like a little haven in your home, a little spot just for you and your spouse, individually or together. So let's start decluttering with that in mind. And we're going to start with the places that you can't see, because that's the places you need to be able to store the clutter you can see. So start with one drawer, one shelf, the bottom of your closet, whatever it is. The bedroom includes your bedroom, your master closet, and if you have one, a master bath. But don't do all three at once. Pick an area and stick to it 15 minutes at a time, and you will have it done before you know it.